Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Hyundai Tucson battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always gather your necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Don't forget to wear protective gloves and eye protection for a safe and smooth process. Let's get started. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the old battery. You'll usually find the battery located under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is a crucial safety step. After that, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. Take your time with each step. With the old battery out, it's time to install your new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully position the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits snugly. Reattach any hold-down clamps to secure it firmly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure for optimal performance. You're almost done. For your final checks, ensure all connections are tight and the new battery is stable in its tray. Give it a gentle wiggle to confirm it's not loose. Now, go ahead and start your engine to verify that everything is working correctly. If the engine cranks and starts smoothly, you've successfully replaced your battery. Don't forget to responsibly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.